फाइनली हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं अनियन कचौरी और मिर्ची पकौड़ा।
Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are starting with jalebis from Motu Jalebi Wala. If you search this place online, you will see this place has 4.4 star rating in Google reviews and 4.3 ratings in Just Diet. And believe me, we were not disappointed. The jalebis are fried in pure ghee and are really tasty, good quality and so crispy. Malai roti is a must try thing from Vijay restaurant. Malai roti is prepared by malai, milk cream, and is simply given the shape of roti. It is then shallow fried in pure desi ghee and
बहुत अच्छा है. And how much will you rate it in a scale of 1 to 10?
9.5.
actually this place Vijay restaurant is a must visit, and whatever you buy from here, anything and everything is going to taste amazingly well.
मैं agree there.
Another must try dish is Prem Pyala.
बढ़िया.
क्या है इसमें? रबड़ी.
रबड़ी, ड्राई फ्रूट्स, फ्रूट सलाद.
Sweet dish जैसा.
Dal bati churma is a popular Rajasthani food and you can find it almost anywhere in Jodhpur, but dal bati churma from Bhavani Dal Bati is very famous, and here we are to taste some.
ये मिर्ची, लहसुन और पुदीना चटनी. डालो.
The staff here is very friendly and will help you and guide you through everything, how to eat, how to mix, what are the proportions to be mixed in to taste best. Churma laddu is prepared by mixing bhatti churma with lots and lots of ghee and dry fruits.
मोगर कचौरी बोलते हैं इसको. एंड देन दे डीप फ्राइड इन घी.
अच्छा.
In Jodhpur, you'll come across a lot of namkeen bhandar. Surya Namkeen, Shahi Samosa Wala, whose mirchi vada is also famous. But our personal favorite is Raju Namkeen.
बता दो आप कब से दुकान ये है आपका?
5 years हो गए.
हाँ तो मतलब आपके दादा आपके सब इसी में. तो स्पेशलिटी क्या है? ये सब भी बहुत फेमस है या फिर? मिर्ची वड़े और प्याज के. बहुत क्रिस्पी और बहुत स्पाइसी.
This is one of the must-try dishes, mirchi vada from Raju Namkeen Bhandar. The locals say that this filling inside this mirchi vada is not known to the workers of Raju Namkeen. It is a filling which is done from the owners at their house, and only the vada part is got here, and they fry it. They just fry it. They don't know what is in the filling, the ingredients, the recipe of this.
फाइनली हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं अनियन कचौरी और मिर्ची पकौड़ा.
Believe me, it's not like we have only had it at Raju Namkeen and we have become such huge fans of mirchi vada and onion kachori there. We tried it at 2 to 3 different places, but the one you get at Raju Namkeen is amazing. The taste of it, the spices, it's so good. And whatever time you go, whenever you go, it is going to be very hot. Like you have to wait for it to cool down and only then you can have it. It is that fresh and that tasty. Another must-visit place is Sri Mistrilal Hotel. It serves a lot of varieties like namkeens, mawa kachori, and the famous makhaniya lassi. Mawa kachori is another famous delicacy here. Okay, so this is not a Chotu Sa Pan Patti. It is a legit shop with 2 entrances. But yeah, the pan here are delicious and you'll not be talking for the next 15-20 minutes. After 2 days of lachha parathas, ghee roti and dal batti, I was craving rice. I am this rice person. So if you are somebody like me, Priya restaurant is your go-to place. Of course, they do serve roti, sabji combination food items as well. This is Priya Hotel, and right opposite to this is Janta Sweet Home, which is another famous place to visit. This omelette shop is in a very small corner, so beware of many similar named places. कब से दुकान है आपका?
हमारी दुकान 1974 से
74 से। ओह, आपको वो ट्रिप एडवाइजर में भी वो रिकग्निशन कुछ तो है ना?
हाँ जी, हमारे बहुत सारे रिव्यू हैं ट्रिप एडवाइजर में, और यूट्यूब में सर्च करेंगे ऑमलेट शॉप, बहुत सारे रिव्यू मिलेंगे।
हाँ हाँ, हमने देखा है, बहुत सुना है। So one way to reach the proper shop is to follow the Lonely Planet, Travel Advisor, Trip Advisor signpost. So suddenly my husband started craving McD's burger. So if you undergo such crisis, worry not. There is a McD around 1.5 kilometer away from the clock tower. Kalinga restaurant is famous for chicken dishes. A variety of starters are available here. Another dish famous here is Rajasthan's iconic dish Lal Mas. Usually Lal Mas is paired with sobra. So that is all for this video, guys. In the next video we shall be heading to Bishnoi village, which is a village located 22 kilometers away from Jodhpur city. So yeah, that is all for now. Bye.